We're looking at the squirrel here in our yard. See? He's eating the birds food there. See the squirrel? Oh, just don't make any noise, Thompson. Okay, you see the squirrel? Yes. Here, there. Can you see it? Jay, don't make any noise. Don't scare him. Let him eat. I told you to. Jay, don't make any noise. We want squirrel in our house. Oh, he's digging now. Look at that. This is outside of our window. Oh yeah, here. Our little town. Here, we're surrounded with nice trees now. They are all green, and the lawn is fully trimmed. The grasses are trimmed. Here, look at that. Oh, it's hopping now. Hey, come here. Come back here. The squirrel is moving. He was here earlier, there at the birds food there. I thought it's the birds who are eating that one. Gee. Look at that. It's hopping now. Where's he? Where's he?
Can I touch it? Can I get where?
Thompson, you know what? Squirrel is so fast.
Why?
Even JJ cannot. Oh, look at that. He's looking at us. He's looking at us. Oh, he's thinking. He's moving out. Oh.
Where?
Yeah, my husband is trying to putting the fence, but it's not yet done to keep Thompson inside. See the fence?
And to keep it well inside too.
Oh, you want the squirrel inside too? Well, I don't think so. The squirrel can go outside because they can crawl. They can crawl up in the fence and they can get out if they want. But we have a big tree here. Oh, see? He's trying to. Bye-bye, squirrel. Oh, he's still there. Oh, he's hopping.
Where's the square?
Say hi.
Hi.
Again.
Apple pie.
No. What are you eating, Thompson?
Apple.
Apple pie. Would you want to share with JJ?
Yes.
Later.
Later. Yeah.
Later. How many pieces you want to share with JJ?
1.
Would you give him right now? He's waiting here. Oh.
Why?
JJ is waiting for you. He wants something from you.
What?
A piece of your apple pie. Just a little bit.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, such a cute and cute boy. A good
Only
boy.
One.
Okay.
Only one, Mommy.
Okay, because he has his own dog food, okay? Say, oh, wait.
Mommy.
Say bye-bye. See you later.
Bye-bye. See you later.